Hello, Happy New Year to people we haven't seen yet. Dave has bought, well, can any of you tell what it is?
Can everybody guess what it is?
The clues are all of the empty tyres and stuff lying around it. But Dave has bought, in his infinite wisdom, a tyre machine. Dave, why have you bought a tyre machine?
For all our drift tyres that we're going to have to...
And just because you wanted
And also
one.
because I've always wanted one.
He's always wanted a tyre machine. Unfortunately, we've reached that age of adulthood and moderate subscriber base that we can buy stuff that we want. So Dave has bought a second-hand tyre machine. You said this isn't like the most luxurious of machines,
No,
though,
this
is
is
it?
a fairly basic entry-level model. It does a job, but nothing fancy.
But for anyone who has never taken a tyre off before, such as myself, I'll now tell you how to do it, because that's interesting. Because over the course of our drifting career, we will need to change a lot of tyres. Now the process, which I learned a couple minutes ago, is to take your tyre and first of all put it in this side.
Stage one is...
Put gloves on?
No, remove the valve and remove all the air from the
Oh
tyres.
yeah, that is the thing, because if you turn it...
Lest you do that.
So see here, the little valve piece has been removed, and if you don't remove that, this thing will very much go bang. So we've taken that out with your little key thing. Here's a little key thing.
Other key things are available.
Other key things are available, but there's a little key that was used to take the valve out. So once that air is out, you can put your tyre down here. You take your roddy thing here, just like a spade with a bend in the middle, and you put that just inside the rim. And then you just aim this into the tyre and you press the lever on the right, and it will squish in until that happens.
It breaks the bead.
It breaks the bead off the tyre. And then you kind of hump it round a little bit to make sure it's cleared off all the edges, and these are particularly rusty and manky.
I think you just went all the way out that. You did a full 360 there.
Did I?
Yeah.
Whoa. Just test again. Yep, that's totally off. Alright, and then
Side B.
flippy.
If only we had a bigger space to do that.
Well, once we're more famous, David, once we have more friends hitting like on our videos, because basically nobody else does it.
This
Just
tyre
a-
machine also needs to be up in the air a little bit. It's sitting on the base and it's supposed
Well,
to be...
ergonomically speaking, it's not ideal. Right, repeat for side B. Ugh.
That's going to take a few goes that side.
I've got the totally opposite side. That's in a bit better.
It's nearly there. That's there.
That sounds more like it. Good. DB did all the way around. Okay, next step is this contraption here. Your pedal in the middle brings these in, and that goes in to grab your wheel. So, what you do is line it up mostly in the centre, press your thing to bring the tyre in, and you've got to try and settle it so that it's in the centre. What do you think?
Oh, we spin it and see if it's in the middle.
Spin it. That's good.
Fairly good to me.
Spray it with
Well, no, you would use tyre soap, but I haven't ordered any.
tyre soap or an appropriate personal lubricant of your choice.
KY or something.
Super Slick or
It's like
something
that.
like that, or that awful stuff that they sell in Ann Summers.
So this bit here adjusts how far in or out, depending on what size of tyre you have.
Small tyres.
So you can't pull it into the tyre and wreck it
And destroy your alloy.
and destroy your alloy. Thankfully, we've got shitey steel wheels, so it doesn't really matter.
Have your assistant set the height, because he's done this before. And then grab
Going too far away.
the rod of tyre removal,
I need to adjust this.
which to me just looks like somebody's chopped two ends off a spanner and then sharpened it, but Dave assures me that that is not the case. He says it is a genuine tyre
It's
spatula.
a genuine tyre spatula.
Is that a good name for it, a tyre spatula?
It's a tyre, well, tyre spoons technically.
I'm going to hook round the edge of the tyre without damaging my expensive alloy wheel.
Oh, this is a really horrible tyre.
Plasticky piece of shit tyre. Look at the bend on the spatula.
It's going. Ah. Now you've got to be ready with your foot in the pedal to spin it.
Wait, which pedal? Oh,
Spin it around wheel. Because once you get it up and on, you want it.
right. So, brute force it, get it on, and then press the button to spin it.
That's it.
Right. So now that it's started, I've just got my bottom pedal here on the left. Spin that round until this device will shred or debead the rest of the tyre as I press the amazing spinning button. And Dave says I don't need to worry about this rod because I don't need it anymore. So he takes it away. That's first part done. Now, if you thought the first levering was difficult,
no, this one should be easier.
You've now got to go down again in the same position and grab the bottom side of the tyre. I'm going to pull that the same, it's got to go up and over, so I'm coming round. I've just got to lift it up and over the same little arm, and then when I spin it, it's staying above. Right, got my tyre spatula, and I've got the tyre which is removed and really manky.
For the bin.
And for the bin, and the last step is to press my middle pedal again to release the alloy, which is also probably for the bin, or the steely. Alright, there you go. So that was the longest tyre removal you'll ever see in your life. The professionals don't do it like that because they'd never turn a profit. But I say we do it on our new tyre machine. We should paint it red.
We could.
We should paint it red. If you're local and you need some tyres moved around,
Don't come to us.
don't come to us because we'll probably damage your alloys. But if you're really desperate, we're here to help. Anyway, that's it.
Next.
Next. Anything else you want to say to the good people?
Yeah, if you'd like to buy as a tyre balancer, that would be ideal.
Yeah, we need to buy a tyre. How much is a tyre balancer?
500 plus.
Okay, but well, we would have that, but we just bought a 3D printer
Yes.
because we've got things we're going to do with that as well. So, won't be buying a tyre balancer just yet. We need more likes.
More lights.
Or
And
we
tyre
need a
balancer.
successful merchandise line.
Yes, they could buy as a tyre balancer.
Yeah. Later on in the year. Anyway, thanks for watching. By the way, if you've got any tips, if we're doing this wrong, of course, let us know, because then we'll get better and we can educate the internet and the world and ourselves. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you later, guys. Bye.